Welcome. This should hopefully be another very quick and easy lesson. All we're now is going to do reflections. Think of reflections as a mirror image across a given line, or you're looking into a mirror. So this point M here is looking straight down at the mirror, and it sees its image in a view that's equal distance back behind the mirror. So it's actually, I went a little bit far. It's going to be right here at 8. Because if it's 8 units above the mirror or the line of reflection, see the 8, there's the 8, we're 8 units above the x-axis, and the x-axis is our line of reflection. It's going to be 8 units below the x-axis. So that's going to be the point right there. So I'm just going to graph that point right there. And lo and behold, I did it right. And this whole lesson is just reflecting or reflection over either the x-axis or the y-axis. So just look to see which axis they're having you reflected over. If it's 3 units to the right of it, it's going to be 3 units to the left of it. Now, obviously, they're going to start giving you images. So just make sure you don't accidentally put it above. And what I mean by above is like, oh, this is 4 units down. So I come 4 units and make my square like this. That would be incorrect. Oh, well, definitely that'd be incorrect. That's not even the right size. Wow. Like that would actually be incorrect. And hopefully you can see that it's not deep enough in. What I needed to do is put this point down here and this point down here. So I have 4 units away, or it's 4 units above. It's going to be 4 units below. Again, this shouldn't really be a very hard one. Again, they will do just the x and the y-axis. Well, it looks like they're not even highlighting it. Graph the image of the rectangle over the after reflection over the x-axis. So you're just going to have to make sure you remember the x-axis is the horizontal one. I'm going to reflect over it. So I'm going to be reflecting it over to this side. So again, 4 units down. I'm going to go 4 units up. It's 2 units wide, and it goes all the way up to 10. So it'll go, or well, it goes all the way down to -10, which means it goes up to +10. So again, don't get confused once you get to the ones where it doesn't highlight the axis it wants you to do. Just make sure you read carefully over the y-axis. The y-axis is the vertical. So that's going to come flipping over this side. That's going to come over here 3 units to the right of the y-axis because it was 3 units to the left. This one's all the way over at -10, so I'll be all the way over at +10. This one's at -9, so I'll be at +9. But I need to be one more down. And it looks like a nice mirror image or a line of symmetry. They're making the y-axis a line of symmetry. That's another way to think of it. They're asking you to make the x-axis a line of symmetry. So I find that line of symmetry, and I'm going to put another rectangle above it because I'm doing the x-axis all the way out to 9 over here, and we have our rectangle. Ooh, be careful. The images are going to get a little more complex. We're reflecting it over the x-axis, not the y. I just wanted to think about going over here, but it's over the x. That's going to be up here. So I'm going to be here, and then I'm going to be 5, and then I'm going to fly down here. If it's flying, I don't know if it's flying. Is it flying? Since I'm at this point here is at -8, I'm going to be at +8, right? Ooh, but actually that's not, I want to be up 1. There we go. There we go, because I was coming from S, so I didn't want to go to this one. Otherwise, I'm putting a line like that. I wanted to go out to -9. Again, it looks like it's a nice mirror image across there. So then what did I do wrong? Oh, you answered. I didn't go over far enough. Look. Really? I didn't. I swear I went to the edge there. Guess I didn't. Silly me. So yeah, be careful. Again, you make simple mistakes, it drops you down, unfortunately, and a lot of you complain about that. But again, I'm trying to hurry and rush, and I know you guys try to do the same. But again, this is actually kind of a fun lesson, I think. It's not so much math as it is just doing drawing in a sense. Reflection, y-axis. Y-axis is vertical, reflection. So I'm going to go over to the other side of the y-axis. 5 units. I'm at 5 units. Now I'm just going to make sure I draw that exact image over here. I think it's easier just to kind of mirror it up because that's what we're doing. We're mirroring it over. If you have questions, again, please do not hesitate to ask.